This should taste phenomenal. And it comes right off.
It's full of the bone, right? Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best barbecue ribs. So summer is around the corner and I figure I should be making some ribs because I promise you that you and these ribs will be the center of attention this summer. So let's get started. So guys, what I have here are all my seasonings. So I'm gonna list them in the description box, so don't worry. So in this bowl, I'm just gonna mix them all together and just set it aside until I'm ready to use it. So guys, the first thing that I did, I just removed all the excess fat from my ribs. After that, I removed a membrane that the ribs have. This will ensure that your ribs come out so soft and full of the bone. Then rinse them really well. You know, I'm Dominican, we Latinos, we wash our meat with salt and vinegar. So that's what I did. And after that, I just pat it dry. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a lemon. I'm gonna rub the ribs with a lemon. That's add for flavor, and also it helps to tenderize the meat. After that, you're going to go ahead and rub the seasoning all over the meat. Rub this seasoning all over, on the top, on the bottom, everywhere. And then what you're gonna do, once you've done that, you're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. Then you're gonna bake them at a 300 Fahrenheit for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, I'm gonna remove my ribs from the oven, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to smear barbecue sauce. You can use homemade barbecue sauce or your favorite store-bought. Once you spread the barbecue sauce on the top, we're gonna place it into the oven at a 460 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're gonna put it under the broiler for 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes, remove your ribs, and what you're gonna do, you're going to flip your ribs. If you want, you can cut them actually and then flip them. It will be easier because these are so soft, they will try to break. But I was able to handle it and they did not fall apart. So I'm gonna smear the other part, and then I'm gonna place it into the broiler for 3 minutes until everything is nice and sticky and caramelized. It is so good, oh my god. So guys, and here are your ribs. So just serve them with whatever you like. They are so delicious. I know you will love them. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for barbecue ribs. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like my videos, share them, show me some love, comment, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.